Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to add a social network to your Roblox profile on PC using the latest update. If you want your friends and followers to find your social media links right from your Roblox profile, just follow these simple steps. First, open up Roblox in your browser and log into your account. You'll land on the Roblox homepage, where you can see all your games and friends. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, sometimes called the settings or cog icon. Click on that gear icon to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. Once you're there, make sure you're on the Account Info tab. This is where you can update your personal details and manage your profile settings. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Social Networks. Here, you'll see options to add links to different social media platforms, like YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, and more. Choose the social network you want to add, then copy and paste your profile link into the appropriate box. After you've added your links, you'll notice a visibility option. You can choose who's able to see your social media links: everyone, just your friends, or no one. Pick the setting that works best for you. Once you're happy with your changes, scroll to the bottom and click the Save button. That's it. Your social network links will now appear on your Roblox profile, and anyone you've allowed can click the icons to visit your pages. If you don't see the option to add social networks, make sure your account age is set to 13 or older. Roblox only allows users over 13 to share social links for safety reasons. Thanks for watching. Now your Roblox profile is even more connected.